Okay, count for me.
Here you go. Here's the last one.
I know you got those spoons.
Dos.
Okay, how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, wacko, cinco, wacko.
Say uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco.
Oh, wacko, cinco, wacko. Let's wacko, cinco, wacko.
Did Dora teach you that?
Yeah, he does.
He does.
Yeah, he's take a picture of me all day.
Who did?
My puppy?
Your Buppy?
Yeah, he did.
Do you love Buppy?
Uh-huh. He loves spoons.
You love spoons. Can you count for me?
These.
Uno,
Dos.
tres.
Wacko. Ses. Wacko.
Good job.